In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can auto roll here in Slime RNG on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to go ahead and do first is just make your way into the upgrade section. Auto roll is usually unlocked pretty early on because it is unbelievably phenomenal. You can unlock it pretty much immediately, but once you do have it, what you need to do is go ahead and go into the roll tab itself. You're going to see an auto tab down here. Go ahead and select that, and if you want to make it even better, I'd recommend turning hide on, and it'll just keep rolling up at the very top. Now, sometimes it does fail, and you have to like manually spawn it back in, so just keep that in mind just by hitting roll once, but that's the full process right here. It makes farming so much easier. It saves so much time. I really like it. Just keep it running in the background. Come back later to have even better slimes. But that is how you can actually auto roll here in Slime RNG on Roblox. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.